pumpkin fries. This is one small pumpkin, just like this guy, and it would feed 4 adults for lunch. The trick with these is to cut them super thin. Try and go for about a 1/4 inch planks for your fries. Soak them for 30 minutes in water. That makes them crispier when you cook them up. Pat them completely dry. Put them on a little parchment. So now we're going to spray this with a little non-aerosol olive oil. And I'm going to add this combo in the dish. This is Espelette or chili powder, about 2 teaspoons, about the same of granulated garlic, and about the same of paprika or smoked paprika. So you put this kooky spice mix over the top and give it a good even toss and arrange the pumpkin fries in as best you can a single layer on your baking sheet, which I just lined with foil and parchment for easy cleanup. Okay? Let's get this guy into the still hot oven. And you're gonna cook them until they're crispy and brown on all sides. And I'm leaving the oven at the same temp I had it at, 450. It'll depend on how thick you cut them, how fast they go. They're not quite done yet, but it was so funny when we went to break. Look what happened. I had to pull them out of the oven and add a tablespoon of cornstarch because I forgot to tell you to do that. So do your pumpkin fries with your spice, sprinkle them with a little cornstarch or put them in a baggie and shake it all together. When the fries come out, toss them with a little Parm and parsley and a little bit of flaky salt, coarse salt, or kosher salt. So here's our spiced bits of pumpkin. We just gotta get them into the bowl with the Parm. Come on, kids. Come on over here. It's so fun in a bowl with cheese. Yum, yum, yum. So probably be way easier with tongs, dummy. Okay, some fries, some pumpkin with Parm.